In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch workspace in Framer. If you work on multiple teams or projects, knowing how to quickly move between workspaces can save you a lot of time and confusion. Maybe you've got a personal workspace, a client workspace, and a company workspace. Switching between them easily makes it much simpler to stay organized and make sure you're always editing in the right place. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Framer website. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can see your projects. Once you're logged in, you'll typically land on the projects or dashboard view, where you can see recent files and folders. Now, look towards the top left area of the Framer interface. Here, you'll see the current workspace name displayed. This might be your personal workspace, a team name, or an organization name, depending on how your account is set up. This label is not just text, it's actually a menu you can interact with. To begin switching workspaces, click directly on that workspace name in the upper left. When you click it, a drop-down or panel will open, listing all of the workspaces that are available to your account. This can include personal workspaces, shared team workspaces, and any client or company spaces you've been invited to. Take a moment to scan through the list and identify the workspace you want to move into. The names here are important because your files and permissions are tied to them. For example, your client projects might live under a specific client workspace, while internal design files are in a company workspace. Once you've found the correct workspace in the list, simply click on its name. Framer will then switch your view to that workspace. You'll see the projects, folders, and files update to match whatever is stored in that specific space. This confirms that you're now working inside the new workspace. From here, you can open projects, create new files, or manage folders, all within the workspace you just selected. If you ever need to move to a different workspace again, just repeat the same process. Go to the top left, click the workspace name, and choose another one from the list. That's all you need to know to switch workspaces in Framer. With this simple action, you can stay organized across teams and projects and make sure you're